Hello everyone, I'm Kana and welcome to my day one trying to work as a bioinformatician. Let me give you a little background on the situation. I'm Spanish and I don't speak English very well. I can understand people when they are speaking and also I can read, but when I try to speak out loud, my brain crashes. I'm a shy person and I find it difficult to talk to other people in English for fear of making mistakes. So I thought that one way to improve my English skills would be to make videos in English. And why do I want to improve my English? Because in science, everything is done in English and it will also allow me to meet new people. I have decided that as I am looking for work as a bioinformatician, I am going to record daily videos in order to telling you what I'm doing to improve my resume in order to find a job. I have to admit that this intro is recorded using a script because I don't speak English as well as I am pretending to. I wanted everything to be clear on the first day, and from now on, everything will be improvised. So be prepared to hear mistakes. I'm sorry. Plus, if there is a word that I don't know how to say it in English, I will say it in Spanish and subtitle it. I would also appreciate it if everyone who watches these videos leaves me a comment with any suggestion for improvement. Okay, so now I'm improvising, okay? I'm going to tell you what I'm doing to do this day. I'm doing two main things to improve my resume. The first one is doing the Rosalind problems. I don't know if you know this website, but basically this site has many problems related to biology, and there are problems about programming. So the first thing that I am going to do today is 3 problems. I think these 3 problems are going to take me all morning. So in the afternoon, I'm going to do the second thing. The second thing that I am doing to improve my resume is to make a web page. This web page that I am doing is made with Django. Also, I'm using a database. So I'm creating a database with my data and I'm doing a web page to browse into this data and make images. When I finish this webpage, I will show you. I don't know if I can do that because the data that I am using is from my final thesis degree, final bachelor's degree. No, I'm so sorry. The data that I am using is from my final degree project. My tutor wanted to make a paper with my project, so I don't know if I can do what I'm doing because my intention is to put my webpage in my resume, because that way people who are looking for workers, they will be able to see what I am capable of. My webpage is almost finished. I need to improve the visuals because they are so bad. That's why I'm going to do in the afternoon. I don't know if I am going to have enough time because also I wanted to record a video. I have another YouTube channel where I speak in Spanish, and my intention with that channel is to upload videos divulgativos. I want to record a YouTube video, but if I record it, it would be a short talking about one gene, because I started a series talking about genes in 1 minute. So if any of you speak Spanish and wanted to see these videos, to watch these videos, I will let in this moment the name of the channel. I'm going to start to do the Rosalind problems. Okay, so these are the 3 problems that I am going to do today. These are independent alleles, finding a protein motif, and inferring mRNA from protein. I don't know if I am going to be capable of doing the 3 problems, but I will try. Also, I have to say that maybe you are seeing that I'm reading things that are basic, such as Mendel's second law, but that way I remember things that I studied in the degree and my master. So that's why I'm reading it, because I want to remember all the things that I studied. Okay, I just finished the first problem. It took me a lot of time because I hate probability. I'm so bad at that. Here is the oh my god. How can I say proof? Here is the proof. There are basic words that my brain remove. I don't know why it happens to me. Now I'm going to start the second problem. I think that this problem will be easier to me. Let's start it. Okay guys, it's 1:15 and I've just finished the 3 problems, and now I'm going to have lunch because I'm starving. The third problem was easier than the other 2, so I'm happy. I will record when I start to program my webpage. See you later.
2 hours later.
Hi guys, I'm back. It's 3:15 and I'm going to start with my webpage. What I want to improve of my webpage is the section that generates images. At this moment you can generate it, but the visuals are so bad. I'm going to show you it. This is one section of my webpage and it is in Spanish. I need to translate it into English, but here you enter a tomato gene because the webpage is entirely created for tomato genes, and you put here the gene, click in the bottom, and the page will send you this image. Okay, here you have a button to download the image. So what happened? I need to improve the visuals. Okay, it's basic, it's so plain. I would want to make something similar than the other section of my webpage. I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is the other section. Here you can select the type of search that you want to use. You can search by gene, by Go term, by function, or by Go aspect. I want to put this type of bar. I don't know if if the name is Barbara. But I want to put something like this because that way the user can change between sections faster. Also, I would want to make, I don't know how to say it. Es que hasta se me ha olvidado cómo decirlo en español. I would like to make the image interactivo. I don't know if I will be able to do that because I did an internship a year ago and I made interactively images. The library was too difficult to use, so I don't know if I'm going to be capable of doing interactive graph again. But in this case, it's image. And I don't know if I can use this library, which is Network X, with something interactive. I don't know if I am explaining it, but I want to make this image interactively, and I don't know if I will be able to do that. So I'm going to shut up and start programming. Okay, so I have just finished everything I wanted to add to my webpage. As you can see, I added the sidebar here, and also I added the interactively graph. I don't know if interactively is the correct word, so I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. As you can see, I added here some settings for the graph. You can change the node size, the font size, the node color. You can move, you can zoom in, zoom out. I'm going to change the color just for show it to you. Here you can download it as a PNG. If I open it, the color is the blue one, and everything is equal to the website. At this point, I'm going to finish for today. Okay, I'm sorry for this face because I had to tie my hair back because it's too hot. Honestly, I don't know how many degrees we have. I'm going to tell you in a moment. 30 degrees. It's almost 5 o'clock. I need to take a shower because I'm sweating. And also I'm going to recoger a mi novio. Give me a second. I have to pick up my boyfriend from work. That's all for today. The rest of the afternoon I'm going to rest. I will try to read a little bit. Also, I need to make the food for lunch for tomorrow. I hope that I didn't make so much mistakes. So many mistakes, and I'm sorry for my speaking. I'm sorry for talk too slow, but I will try to improve my English skills. That's all. I'm not going to enrollarme más. Madre mía, es que también wind myself up more. I don't know. I'm going to finish here the video. I hope you enjoyed with it. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.